Hey all, welcome back to the channel. I've got some pretty big news for the channel itself. We have been invited by YouTube to be a partner, and one of the things this means is that now you can be a member, a sponsoring member of the channel. Um, Nothing is going to change as far as the videos we make. As you know, we've had some gaps in our video output, but we're back into a routine now of getting some videos lined up for you. But this will allow us to create new and different videos. Who knows, maybe I can start doing some of the other equipment reviews that I'm looking forward to. But you will see a subscribe button down here below the video, and just to its left there is a join button. And so if you click the join button, you'll see a couple of different options for different levels of membership, and you can help to sponsor us to make more and hopefully better videos as time goes on here. And we appreciate each of you, those that are here just checking out the free videos, and we appreciate it if you do decide to sponsor us. Thank you so much for that. But that is big news for us. Hopefully it's going to mean a lot more content and better and better things still coming. So anyway, thank you much for that. Wanted to share that, and I'll talk with you all soon. Make sure to like, subscribe, join if you would. If you'd like to help sponsor us, I appreciate that. And make sure you leave comments. Thanks. Take care.